Hello everyone, my name is Brady.
Hello, I'm Matthew.
And we are here today with our unboxing of the 16-inch 2019 MacBook Pro.
The first 16-inch MacBook Pro from Apple, and the largest MacBook Pro since 2011.
It also has a lot of sweet new features that we're going to get into later. But first, we're going to have to open up the cellophane. Now taking that new Apple smell. All right, here's the new MacBook. But before we get to this, we're gonna set it aside and get to all the awesome accessories inside. First things first, we're gonna get to this neat little information booklet. What we got here? We got some legal information, that kind of stuff. We got the information booklet that talks about your MacBook Pro. Nothing really on this side. But the best part in here looks like some really awesome stickers. Use that to decorate your MacBook Pro with. Next part is the charger. This is a 96 watt charger. Very necessary to charge the new massive battery in the MacBook Pro, capable of 11 hours of runtime. It's actually quite heavy. Next, we got the cable for the charger. Looks like a standard USB-C cable, charging cable. Not sure how long it is, but it looks long enough for your charging needs. Anything underneath here? Nope, that looks like about it for the accessories. In order to get to the actual MacBook Pro, we're going to have to open up another layer of protective plastic. Matt, you want to handle that for me?
Sure.
Ooh, another nifty tab to help you along. Look at that, easy. Put that aside.
Nice and easy. This MacBook Pro comes with 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports.
It's capable of two 6K monitors. You could drive with those.
Also has a headphone jack, so if you've got headphones, you can plug them in.
All right, Matt, let's pop this open and see what we're dealing with here. Let's take a look. Ooh, look at that. Get this out of the way here. Powering it on, as Apple does now when you open these up. Now let's take a look at what we got here. Matt, you want to kind of guide us along, see some of these new features in here?
Yeah, sure. So Apple has swapped out the keyboard with a new refined scissor mechanism instead of using the butterfly switches that they were before. So a lot more comfortable in my opinion.
All right, Matt, and what's the deal with this right here?
Yes, so Apple brought back a dedicated escape key instead of it being part of the touchpad, as many users have requested. So it's very beneficial for pro users and as well as just regular consumers.
And it looks like Apple also separated the power button with Touch ID a little bit away from the touch bar.
Yeah, nice tactile feel when powering on and off the system, if you even do, because of the automatic power on when touching the keyboard or opening the system.
Now, how about the sound system? What's so special about this sound system? I hear it's pretty new.
So they switched the sound system out for a 6-speaker system.
Gives you a lot more clarity to the sound playing through it, a lot more oomph, so to say.
Yeah, the speakers sound a lot better on this system.
Wow, Matt, this 16-inch Retina screen looks amazing. Apple's really been killing it here. What do you gotta say?
Yeah, the screen looks very nice.
All right, Matt, let's compare this to a 2019 15-inch MacBook to see the differences between them. Well, despite the larger screen size, there's only a slight difference in actual size of the two models, it looks like, right, Matt?
Yeah, it looks like they decreased the bezel quite a bit. It looks nice. I don't really prefer large bezels anyway.
All right, Matt, now we're gonna power it down, close it up, flip it over, and see what we can see on the inside. All right, Matt, well, this is a pretty interesting view in here. As we suspected, it appears that there's no upgradability to this. You wanna point out a couple of the features you see?
Yeah, I can point out some of the components. So, biggest thing, the larger battery, and then next to them, you can see the updated speakers. And then we have the main board. A lot of the components are covered up, so it's not so easy to identify what's where.
What are these two things right here?
They got two large fans and a very large heat pipe.
Help with increased airflow, keep that nice and cool.
Yeah, what was it, like 20%?
Something like that, 24% increased airflow.
So that seems to be it for the 16-inch 2019 MacBook Pro. I'm Matt.
I'm Brady. For more information, you could check out our Rocket Yard blog, or you could visit our macsales.com website for some sweet accessories for this new MacBook Pro. Have a good day, everyone.